And let's get you the latest update coming in on the Delhi Excise Policy case, where the court has issued summons now to Arvind Kejriwal for 16th March. This is with regards to ED's second complaint against him for non-compliance with the Enforcement Directorate investigation. Kejriwal had to appear before court on ED's first complaint also on March 16th. The hearing on ED's first complaint is on March 16th, and the second one too will come up on the same day, and the court has made it clear that Arvind Kejriwal will have to be there for that particular hearing. The last time around he appeared virtually. What will he choose to do this time on March 16th remains the question. Srishti Oja is joining us live with more details on this. Srishti, get us the latest. What really is the ED's complaint against Kejriwal, and will he be expected to appear physically and not virtually this time?
Well, Akshata, as we know, Arvind Kejriwal as of now has skipped 8 summons that have been issued by the Enforcement Directorate to him to appear before the probe agency to answer questions related to the Delhi Excise Policy case, which is being probed by both CBI and ED. However, since he skipped summons, Enforcement Directorate had filed a complaint before Rouse Avenue Court. In the first complaint that was filed by ED had clearly said that on purpose these summons are being skipped, and that investigation cannot go forward unless and until Arvind Kejriwal cooperates. The Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court had in February on the first complaint issued summons to Arvind Kejriwal, clearly stating that ED officers under PMLA have the right and have the power to summon somebody for an investigator to come and participate in the investigation, and Arvind Kejriwal was duty bound as a citizen to come and appear before the ED. After those summons were issued, Arvind Kejriwal had chosen to appear virtually. He did not appear physically before the court, and had, however, assured court that on the next date of hearing, he will appear physically. So even in the first case, the next date of hearing was set to be 16th March, which when Arvind Kejriwal had assured the court last time that he will appear physically because he couldn't appear physically the first time due to the ongoing budget session of the Delhi Assembly. Now, it will be important to see whether or not he'll appear before the court physically or not, but if we go by his own assurances, his own words before the court last time, he had clearly said that on 16th March he'll be appearing before the court physically. The court has even today, while issuing summons on the second complaint by the ED, which is again alleged the same thing, that he's skipping summons again and again, has issued summons to him, asked him to physically appear before 16th March. So 16th March is when we'll know whether or not Arvind Kejriwal decides to appear before the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court.
All right, Srishti, thanks very much for getting us all those updates.